Vishwakarma Yojana is started by GTU, which is Gujarat Technological University. The aim of this project is to develop villages into smart villages to give the basic amenities like electricity, water, cleanliness along with the environment. We visited Punsri as it is the smart village of Gujarat. There we saw primary school, bank, public health center, etc. Kerala is our project village. It is located in Bawla Taluka in Ahmedabad district, Gujarat. It is an underdeveloped village taken by our team to convert it into a smart village. The population is 1560 and literacy rate is 69.7%. There are 348 houses and working population of 60.1%. There is a lake in the village which is very big and can be converted into a recreational area, but the lake is eutrophicated by the drainage water by villagers and industries. Also, the farmers use the same water to water the crops. There are many temples in the village. There is a Gram Panchayat which was built 40 to 50 years ago and needs redevelopment. There is an overhead tank but not in working condition to distribute water. There are 2 Balvatikas and primary school with rainwater harvesting tank, prayer hall, big classrooms, activity hall and laboratory with computer facility. We did a village walk to get more familiar with the village. The road to reach industrial area is in a very good condition, but the road in the residential area is of very poor grade. We took a session for awareness for cleanliness, attract tourism, development in village and also aware girls about the further education and employment. Kerala needs Wi-Fi tower for IT connectivity, speakers for better communication, CCTV cameras for better surveillance in the village. The village needs water distribution system as there is already an overhead water tank and drainage system as the villagers drain wastewater into the lake. Self-filling concrete for self-maintenance of structures, lake water to cool buildings by cutting 80% electricity consumption and CO2 emission, cold storage to extend food life for global food security and economic stability, plastic 3D printing machine to reuse plastic in a better way and cut down pollution. Combining wind and solar energy to generate 40% more energy than ordinary rooftop panels. We proposed Gram Panchayat and community hall in the same building. We gave a separate room for Talati and Sarpanch, a computer room, storeroom, 2 toilets and waiting area in Gram Panchayat, whereas we gave 2 rooms in community hall, a common toilet and wash basin. This is the bank design in which we gave an ATM, a cabin for manager and staff, inquiry desk, a toilet, a check drop box, a locker room and a waiting area. This is the post office design in which we gave an office, a parcel room, toilet and waiting area along with a letter box outside. This is the design of secondary school which we decided to build in place of old primary school. We gave a G+2 building design for school. We gave 3 classrooms, 2 on ground floor and 1 on second floor, a staff room with principal cabin on ground floor, a computer classroom on first floor, 3 labs for physics, chemistry and biology, 2 on first floor and 1 on second floor, a public library on second floor and a toilet on each floor. This is the public garden which we decided to make between the 2 temples in which we gave benches to sit, a walking area and children play area. This is the public toilet design in which we gave 10 toilets, 2 bathrooms and a wash basin. At last, we decided to give a septic tank in the village as there is no wastewater treatment plant. This is how we can develop our country by glorifying our villages and make them smart and clean by doing urbanization. Thank you.